Oh Lord, thank you for the life you give. I praise you for saving my soul. It's time for me to bless you, sharing your light to others is what you want me to do. I dreamed, achieved, and survive. You are with me through thick and thin. You allow me to explore the world, to find out the talents you had given me. When I am getting far, you poke my head. It's time for me to go further, not for temporary wishes, but for my eternal attainment, realizing how deep is your wisdom that's only given to the elected few. I am pleading you to please show to all who you are. Let them feel your greatness. Roar your thunder of justice that divide the seas and broke the city of Jericho. It's my gratitude to be your child. So I thank you, Lord.